Hi, in this video we are going to see about how to run a Java program on Visual Studio Code. So in the last video we have seen about how to run a Python program on VS Code. So in this video we are going to see about how to run a Java program on VS Code. So now let us go into the video. So we are going to make 5 steps. So first one is downloading and installing JDK. Then we'll be setting the Java path, then we'll download and install the VS Code, then we'll be download and install the coding pack for Java, and finally we'll create and run a Java program. So now let us see these things one by one. First let us download and install the JDK. So just go to the browser, Google, and type Java JDK. So you'll be getting the official website oracle.com. So just go to the Java downloads. So here you can see the various operating system: Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Let me go for the Windows in my case, and let me select this x64 installer. So just click the link given and you can see this. It is asking to save in the location. I'll save it in the desktop and save it. Now the download is completed, so you can install it. So it's around 205 MB. So let me double click the JDK 24 and click yes. So now you can see the welcome to installation wizard. So just click the next button. So here it asks for the location. If you wanted to change the location, you can change it. In my case, I'm just going to leave it as a default and click next. Now after some time you can see the Java JDK has been installed successfully. Let me close this. So now we have successfully completed the first one. Now let us set up the Java path file. So now you can go to the my computer, this PC, and you can go to the, so in the C drive you can go to program files, and then you can go to the Java folder. Inside that we have this JDK 24 which is installed now. Inside that we have this bin folder. So you can just copy this address location, and now you can just right click this PC and go for properties and go to the advanced system settings, and you can just select these environmental variables where you can see user variables and system variables. So in the system variables you can see the path. So just double click it. So here you can just select new and you can paste the location that we have copied and click OK, and then click OK, and then click OK. So you can close this. Now we have successfully set up the Java path. So now let us go to the next step of downloading and installing the VS Code. So just go to any of the browser and type VS Code. So you can get the code.visualstudio.com official website, where you can just click the download for Windows and select the Windows option, and you can get this VS Code setup. So just click save. Now the VS Code exe has been downloaded successfully, so which comes around 102 MB. So now let us install it. So just double click it and run. So first select this I accept the license agreement and click next. It asks for the destination location. If you wanted to change it, you can change it, or else leave it as default. So it takes 402 MB, and click next and just click next. And if you wanted to create a desktop icon, you can just select it, or else leave it as default and click the next button, and finally install it. So now you can see the setup complete, and click the finish button. Now you can see the VS Code. So now close this. Now we have completed the third step also. So in case if you're already having the Java and the VS Code, you can skip these 3 steps and you can go for the fourth one. So now we need to download and install the coding pack for Java. So coming back to the browser, VS Code docs part. So here you can see the various technologies. You can just select the Java and getting started. So now here you can see install the coding pack for Java. We are using Windows. Let me select this Windows. So now you can just download this exe. Let me save it in the desktop. It comes around 70 MB. So now let us install it. So just double click it and click select run. So take some time, and after that you can see this install coding pack for Java. So select the I accept the terms in the license agreement and click next. So now it configures the component. So here you can see already we have JDK, so it says OK, and VS Code, Visual Studio Code, it says OK, and it shows the versions of it. And now let us install it by clicking the install. So now the installation is completed, and let us launch the VS Code by clicking the finish button. So now you can see the VS Code is open. So now let me go to the Explorer part. So here, after clicking the Explorer part, so now automatically you can see create Java project option. You can create a folder, and on the location you can just save all the Java programs whichever you wanted, or you can just directly create a Java project. So just click this create Java project. So now here you can see this option is now activated. Let me select the first one, no build tools. So after selecting no build tools, add for the folder where you need to save it. So let me save it in the D drive. You can save it in anywhere, whichever in your system location. I'll just create a folder called Java programs and just select this project location. So now it asks for input a Java project name. So let me select this project name as demo and click enter. So after a few seconds you can see a demo, whichever the project name which I entered. You can see the project is created with the default things .vs code, lib and src. So if you just click this arrow mark and expand it, you can see app.java. So I have not entered any of the code, it is created automatically. So here you can see the public class app, public static void main, and system.out.println hello world. So this is automatically created when I selected the create new project. So here now let us run the project. So here you can see the Java is activating, it takes some time. So now let us click this run Java. So now you can see this it is importing the Java projects and it is opening the Java projects options. So it takes some time. Here you can see it is initializing the workspace percentage. Now it is ready. So after getting ready, you can see the terminal is open, and here you can see it has printed the hello world. And here another thing, you can see a bin folder is created. Inside that you can see the app.class file is also created. So after compiling, it has created the class file also. So here you can just enter welcome to JP Infotech projects. Let me save it and run it. So now you can see it has printed welcome to JP Infotech projects. So in case if I am just making some error and if I run it, so you can see the syntax error. So now let me clear it and run it again. So now you can see it is executing. So in this way you can just check with your Java programs and you can execute it. So in the extensions part, so you can see the, if you type Java, you can see the already we have installed the package. So it has already installed debugger for Java, the main things whichever required, it is automatically installed. No need to install manually by going into the extensions part. So as we have already installed the coding pack for Java. So now we have successfully created and we have executed a Java program also. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.